Goes out to all the friends. Man, everybody say they your friend, ain't your friend. They wanna treat you wrong, do you wrong, but you know the pain never end up pain and struggle that you go through. Can't even find a good friend to go to. Them haters hating on you. You tryna get your paper like they do. Man, them backstabbing friends when it's gonna end. Man, I thought I had a friend. End up, man, that nigga snitching on me, trying to put me in the pen. I had papers over my head. He had a clean wreck up. Man, I said take the charge. Man, he said hell no, fuck you. He said the dope was all mine. He said all the weed was mine. Man, I looked at the nigga, man, I swear I should've poured out my nine, but I went in thinking, so I'm just gonna let that nigga go. I'ma let God take care of it, cause he gon' know. Man, all these backstabbing friends that you say you thought you had, man, you keep your enemy closer than your friends. You just trying to let you know friends ain't what they say they is, cause I had so many friends, I thought they was my friend, end up turning to my enemy. Everything they did to me, and I never thought many friends would do this to me. Man, we grew up together. Man, I remember the time we used to smoke blunts together. Remember the time we used to fuck girls together. Remember the time we used to ride around look for something to do. We used to do it together. Now, nigga, we separated, like girl and boyfriend separated. Nigga, you ain't shit, nigga, you a bitch. Man, I should've realized this when you first snitched. Man, I never thought you would do that. Never thought you would snitch, alright. Looking at you now, nigga, man, I swear, man, I want to slap you so bad, but I'm gonna let it go. I'm gonna let it go, cause I got bigger and better things to do. So you know me, man, these backed up friends, man, I swear they ain't no good, ain't no good. So don't listen to the hood. Leave it alone, leave them alone. Yeah, you just need to go on. If you got somebody did you wrong, yeah, this is your song. If you got somebody that did you wrong, yeah, this your song. If you got somebody that did you wrong, man, this is your song. Just to let you know I did not write this at all. Freestyling out the dome, so I had to let them know. I had to put something on the track that was true. Man, them haters and them friends, when they ain't shit, they turn on you. Family turn on you when you're down on your knees, ain't got nothing. You gotta turn to the guy, cause he the one gonna give you something. And yeah, all these friends that I thought I had, I never had. All them snitching friends wanna be dope boys, yeah, they ain't never rats. Man, all these friends, man, they turn on you. They will turn on you. They'll turn on you. You can't trust nobody these days. You can't even trust yourself these days. You know what's gonna end up next day. Next day you might be shot up for something he said, something she said. Now you looking around, who said? Man, I'm sitting here thinking, damn, I could've been dead. Could've been dead. Question mark pause. Question mark pause. If my hater knew me, who me, I don't know. If I knew y'all, I wouldn't talk to y'all, cause I don't know who you really are though. If I like you, then I hang around you. If I don't like you, don't talk to me. If I hate you, don't hate you. I just like you. As soon as I have for you, yeah, all these friends, they wanna change around. Man, these win-wins, one-way situations. When these friends don't end, these backed up friends I never thought I had. Man, I hate these friends, man, I swear, man, these backstabbing ass stupid friends. When it's gonna end, you cannot trust no one. You gotta be on your own. You cannot trust no one. Yeah, you gotta be on your own. And you cannot trust no one. Cause your friends turn to your enemy. Your enemy. Your enemy. Your friends will turn to your enemy. Your enemy. Your enemy, your friends turn to your enemy.